When you think of a data center, you probably imagine a big room full of servers somewhere on the ground. Somewhere like this, right? But what if we told you that the next generation of data centers might be in the sky? A research study recently looked into the idea of high-altitude platform systems, aka flying data centers, as a way to host servers in the stratosphere. And it turns out there's a lot of reasons why this could be a great idea. For one, the stratosphere is really cold. You can actually use that cold to cool your servers without an expensive cooling system. Plus, there's tons of solar power available up there, meaning you could run your data center entirely on renewable energy. The researchers found that these flying data centers could be up to 12% more energy efficient than traditional data centers. That's because they take advantage of two things. First, the fact that the stratosphere is really cold, naturally, which means you don't have to run your servers with a bunch of energy-intensive cooling systems. And second, the fact that there's a lot of solar power available in the stratosphere, meaning you could run your servers using renewable energy. Right now, most data centers run on fossil fuels, which isn't great for the environment. So the researchers think that these flying data centers could be a good way to make data centers more sustainable. Of course, this is still just a research project, and a lot more work needs to be done before we see flying data centers become a reality, but it's still pretty cool to think about. There are some challenges that need to be overcome, like figuring out how to make the platform stable and figuring out how to make the platform stable and how to maintain them. But the researchers think that these challenges can be overcome with more work. If they can be overcome, then we may see floating data centers become a common way to host servers in the future. This is a really innovative solution to the problem of how to make data centers more energy efficient. And it's a great example of how thinking outside the box, literally, can lead to amazing new possibilities. So if you're ever feeling stuck on a problem, remember the floating data center and think outside the box. It might just help you come up with the next big innovation.